Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha and today is May 4th. It's Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you always, friends. Thanks so much for popping in. To celebrate this, the most holiest of Star Wars days, I decided to reach out to a couple of my Disney YouTube friends and we are doing a Star Wars May the 4th recipe swap. So you can go click down below in the description and you'll have a list of all the amazing channels that are participating. They came up with a lot of really neat and creative stuff. You're gonna wanna check all of them out. The Star Wars treat I'm making for you today is not only my favorite cupcake on Disney property, it's my favorite dessert at Hollywood Studios. Today I am making for you the Darth Vader Cupcake. This is served at Trolley Car Cafe as well as Backlot Express in Hollywood Studios. It's nothing fancy, but to me it is just perfection. It's a nice, dense, chocolatey cupcake with a beautiful peanut butter frosting on top, decorated with a cute little chocolate Darth Vader. It is sheer perfection. I am just a big fan of chocolate peanut butter together, so this is just does it for me. Other Disney cupcakes, they're just kind of either too plain or they're doing too much. This is just perfect. It encompasses all my favorite flavors. And I'm so excited to teach you folks how to make it today. Before we get started, if you're not already, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel? I do a ton of Disney food content, lots of copycats from the parks. Sometimes I do original recipes, all inspired by your favorite Disney movies and the Disney parks. While you're down there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you dig it. Let's get started, friends. Today we're using a box mix for our cupcake. No shame in that game, friends. I have always been about ease and convenience. If you want to do a from scratch chocolate cake recipe, awesome, more power to you. But today we're just gonna make a box mix. In a bowl, we're putting together our cake mix. We've got some milk, our oil, 3 eggs. We're gonna whisk all that together until it's nice and smooth. Then we're gonna put that into our prepared cupcake pans and bake those in the oven. Can't have our Darth Vader cupcakes without Darth Vader chocolate toppers. I got this cute little pan from JB's Cookie Cutters. I will link them down below. They have a lot of awesome licensed character cookie cutters and shapes, and I found this Darth Vader chocolate mold for $6 on their website. So let's try it out and make some Darth Vader chocolate toppers. I'm taking milk chocolate candy melts and melting those in the microwave till they're nice and smooth. Then you're just gonna pour those directly into the candy mold. I'm gonna take an offset spatula and just level off the chocolate, make sure there are no bubbles, and then place those in the fridge until they're set and ready to pop out. My peanut butter frosting is absolutely delicious. It's just a little bit different. There's no butter in it, so it's literally just like whipped fluffy peanut butter with powdered sugar, but it's delicious, I promise. Let's check it out. For my peanut butter frosting, we're starting with a cup of peanut butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna put that in the stand mixer, get it nice and smooth. Then we're gonna add in a splash of milk and then a couple cups of our powdered sugar. Mix that all together until we get that beautiful silky peanut butter frosting. Moment of truth. Chocolate Vaders are a win! Yay! So I have all the elements together for our cupcake. I've got our chocolate cupcake here, our peanut butter frosting, the jimmies that go on top, and our Darth Vaders. You guys, they're so cute! Alright, let's put one together. These cupcakes are super easy to construct. You're gonna pipe on your peanut butter frosting, smooth it off with your offset spatula, dip it in your chocolate jimmies, and then top with a chocolate Vader. So I am super happy with how it looks. It looks just like at the parks. I hope it tastes as good. I'm sure it will, but let's take a taste right now. I am going to use a fork because reasons. Get a nice bite there. Oh, it's so good. Tastes like the Disney parks. That turned out really good. Oh, I love that peanut butter frosting. It is so good. Mwah, delicioso. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out all the other channels who participated in this awesome recipe swap. And thank you again to those participating channels. Leave me a note in the comments telling me what your favorite Star Wars food in the parks is. Thank you so much. Have a magical day.